Hello, welcome to channel-based acupuncture. This video will be about the acupuncture point kidney tree. If you want to understand kidney tree beyond memorization, stick around. Kidney tree name is Tai Xi. It is translated in English as Supreme Stream, but I also found as Great Canyon, Great Mountain Stream, and Greater Stream. Location. Kidney tree is located between the medial malleolus and the Achilles tendon. According to 5 elements, kidney tree is the earth point on the water channel. Some acupuncture techniques like 4-needle and or 5 elements use kidney tree together with other points to disperse the kidney. A little note about dispersion. You'll find different terms for dispersion, something like sedation or draining, but my understanding is that when you disperse, you move the qi. You won't lose the qi. You won't move the qi out of the body, but you move the qi within the body and channel systems. So disperse, share this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the like button. Moving on. According to Zheng Fu, kidney is the root of yin and yang, so imbalances of the kidney can easily reflect on other Zheng Fu. Kidney tree is also the source point of the kidney channel. Without a doubt, is one of the 5-star VIP points. According to the cosmological sequence, the earth element is in the center. It is the pivot. So maintaining a health earth in order to have a good connection between fire and water is important. And kidney tree is a very good point to harmonize water and earth. After a brief discussion of kidney tree, let's take a look at some indications. Kidney tree is good to treat deafness, tinnitus, incontinence, edema, asthma, irregular periods, impotence, and low back pain. Some functions. Kidney tree tonify kidney yin and kidney yang. It cools heat. It anchors the qi and benefit the lungs. Strength the low back and knees. I'm not a sponsor nor make any money with this, but I found this great software online. So if you want to study channels, point, location, on your computer or iPhone or Android, check out this software. I'll put a link in the description below. That's it for today. If you like the video, click on thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell for future videos. Thanks for watching Channel-Based Acupuncture.